Looking to take the next step in your legal career? Arbitration Lab, in collaboration with Steptoe International, invites you to the London Career Readiness Workshop on 12th November 2025. Join us in London or online from anywhere in the world for a one-day intensive training designed as the advanced sequel to our celebrated course, Careers in International Arbitration. This workshop goes beyond theory. Together with leading practitioners from Steptoe International, Three Crowns, Arnold & Porter, and experts from Arbitration Lab, you'll gain hands-on skills in the nature of legal training and 7 essential legal skills, career strategies in arbitration and law practice, including assessment day preparation for vacation schemes and direct training contracts, drafting CVs and cover letters with real examples, common pitfalls, and best practices, professional correspondence and legal writing, interview skills with mock interviews and personalized feedback, independent reflection and drafting exercises, and finally, a closing session and networking reception to connect with senior practitioners, mentors, colleagues. What's in it for you? Training by top arbitration practitioners, strategic career planning, and personal goal setting, CV and cover letter drafting with individualized feedback, networking and mentorship opportunities, a certificate of completion, and internship opportunities with Arbitration Lab in London. This is your chance to sharpen your professional edge, build confidence, and prepare for the opportunities that await in arbitration and law practice. Attend in person in London or join us live on Zoom. Seats are limited. Don't miss out. Register now.